Hey guys, it's Deborah and it's Wednesday. Sorry the video is so late. I do not have a project today. I actually have something that I won on another YouTube channel, and I will link her channel below. Her name is Terry and she has a YouTube channel. So I'm going to go through. She sent me 2 packages, which I'm amazed. And guys, I never win anything, but I actually won one of her art journals, I believe. So anyway, she sent me a bunch of other stuff. I mean, it's just loaded. Look at that. Loaded with goodness. But anyway, I'm going to go through that real quick. So she sent me this glue stick. Great for junk journaling. A pair of Westcott scissors. Those are great scissors for doing junk journaling. And some, let me go ahead and back this out, guys, a little bit. My desk is a mess. Just bear with me. Let me adjust my camera. Sorry about that. And then these washable fine line markers, great for stamping and stuff like that. And then craft glue. She sent me some craft glue. Always need glue. And then these pens are great. I love using those pens. And then a Beautiful Day washi tape. How nice. I love these pens. If you can get these pens, they're great. And they're from Dollar Tree. And then, of course, they do write in pink and purple. They are good pens. And then this, oh my goodness, I use this all the time. This double-sided tape, this is good stuff. It is really good stuff. And then she sent me this liquid adhesive. It is for gluing sequins and bling. That's awesome. And then these, oh, I've never seen these. Double-ended colored pencils. How cool is that? I've never seen that. So red, orange, yellow, green, purple, and black. And then on the other side of the red is a blue. And the other side of the orange is a brown. The other side of a yellow is, I believe, let me see, a dark green. The other side of the green is a magenta. And the other side of this navy is like an aqua green. And the other side of the black is a white. Those are cool. I'm going to use them. I'm about to stamp. I just bought a stamp from Dollar Tree. I don't know what I did with it because I need somebody to come clean my desk for me. Anyway, I don't know what I did with it, but it would be perfect to color them in with that. And then the craft clamps, I use these all the time when I'm making notepads. We're gonna have to get into notepads again and show you these. This is perfect for making notepads. You're making your own like shaped notepads, like if you have a Cricut or a Punch or anything, a die cut, you can make these notepads. And I'm gonna have to show you how to do this. I have a video back from maybe February this year showing it, but it's not a great video, but we're going to redo it with doing like a Christmas one. And then she sent me these cactus stickers. How nice are those? Nice. I can't believe I won. But anyway, okay, here is what, okay, she sent me, it looks like some junk journal items in this little package, and then we're going to get into the journal that she sent. Hopefully you can see everything. Oh wow. She sent a lot of stuff. Thank you, Terry, so much. But these little stamps, I mean, you know, the little postage stamps. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I wanted to show you that. And then the butterflies. So, and then a frame in this type of paper. Ooh, that's going to be fun for a junk journal. And then a craft envelope and white envelope and some paper. This is all great for junk journaling. Little notes for notepads. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. I believe these are found in Dollar Tree. I haven't been able to find them, but there's a whole card set of this type of card that people are finding in Dollar Tree, and you can use them. There's all different types. I haven't been able to find them. I am looking for them. And then 6x6 paper. I love that. And then some more paper. Great for junk journaling. Oh, how nice. Thank you so much. I count your blessings. Yes, I am very, very blessed. Thank you. And then the strawberry paper. Oh my goodness. That would be great for a strawberry journal. And then here's the cherries. I want to do a cherry journal, a cherry themed journal. So a lot of this will go great for that. Wow, look at that. And then these stickers, awesome. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. That is amazing. And then here is, here is the journal that she has all wrapped up. I won this too. I mean, like, oh my gosh. It's so fun when I give away things on my channel. And I just love, I can't wait for y'all to see this. I love when people, are excited about winning something. And here I am. I won, and I'm very, very excited. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Look at the fabric. She covered this with fabric. Yes, and then the lace. Look at the lace, and then this ribbon along here, and then this fabric, and then the paper over it. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, guys. We're going to go through this, and hopefully everything's out of the way where you can see it. Okay, so here is a pocket, and oh my goodness. Oh, she wrote me a note. Hi, Deborah. I am so glad you won this journal, one of my favorites. Hope you enjoy the crafts and the pack of papers as well. Congratulations. Sending light and love. Happy crafting. And she has Allen Art and Design, and I will put a link to her channel. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this journal is. Okay. So look, she used a doily on here, attached this. This is all in a signature. There's one signature in here. Okay, so here's a butterfly. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. And then paper where you can write on, you can journal. And then I love this, where it is. I love that. I love that is included in there. And then a song, a music sheet. How beautiful. And then more paper. The actor, and then she put some, it looks like glitter paper, but it's smooth. It's very, very smooth. How pretty is that? And then what? Almost like vellum, like a crinkly vellum. How beautiful is that? And then oh my goodness, and then ledger paper, and this with the envelope attached to this piece of paper. That's awesome. And this, and then, oh look, you can actually put things in this pocket right here. That's so beautiful. And then there's this, and then she has another pocket here. And and then that paper, and then this, and then, oh, here's a pocket here, so you can definitely put something in here, and then there's a pocket here as well. How beautiful is that? And those are made from envelopes. Awesome. And then that piece of paper with a graph, and then this is that ticket, that order number, and then the rest of that crinkly type of vellum paper. That's beautiful. And then that metallic, I mean, it's a glitter, but it's really, really smooth. I don't know. See, my lighting is so bad. Let me make sure. I'm filming late, guys. I'm late on videos today. It's been a busy day. Anyway, it's been a busy week. And so, are you sleeping? That in the happy stream. Look at that, how beautiful this is. And then here's a writing board, like for, I forgot what you call these. Well, she called it a writing board. That's what it is. And then she put handmade with love, Terry Allen. And then here's another pocket back here. Is that just beautiful? Oh my gosh, I just love everything. Thank you so much. I'm going to upload this video and I'll put a link to her channel. Go send her some love, everybody. Please send her some love. These junk journals are so beautiful. I mean, this junk journal is so beautiful and her work is so beautiful. I love these glitter flowers too, not glitter flowers, sequin flowers with pearls. I love those. I love the whole book. Anyway, it's just beautiful. I'm going to use it, and I think I'm going to make it, you know, I'm going to use it. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with it, but it's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. Yay, I won. All right, guys, y'all take care, and I will upload this, and you guys send her some love, okay? Thank you.